If you want to create a cinematic wallpaper on Google Pixel 10, then first of all we need to open Settings. Now over here we're gonna scroll down and go to Wallpaper and Style. And if you already have, for example, a photo that you can customize that has effects available, so we can tap on the home screen preview in order to check that. For example, if you use your own photo, then you should be able to find the effects over here. So I'm gonna tap on this button. Now over here we have cinematic, and we need to actually download effects to add 3D motion to this photo. So let's go ahead and do so, and let's wait for these effects to be downloaded. And then once it is downloaded, we can add 3D motion to this photo by mostly tapping on this switcher. And this is how it looks like. Once you are ready, we can press this check in the top right corner. We can go ahead, press next, apply the wallpaper, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.